ओके सो कुछ चीजें हैं भाई, आपने बहुत कमाल तरीके से सबको ये तो दिखा दिया कि आप कितने कमाल के रैपर बन चुके हैं, लेकिन अब मैं एक सच्चाई बताता हूँ। एक फिल्म को अगर बनने में 1 साल लगता है, सो आइडली शायद रणवीर ने इसकी शूटिंग 2018 में स्टार्ट की होगी, 2017 2018 यू मस्ट हैव शॉट फॉर गली बॉय। लेकिन व्हाट पीपल डोंट नो इज कि रणवीर रैपिंग जो है एटलीस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी 2011 से कर रहा है, फ्रॉम द टाइम आई मेट हिम फॉर अ फिल्म कॉल्ड गुंडे। एंड इफ यू डोंट बिलीव दिस, मैं यहाँ पे अभी ये प्रूव कर सकता हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट थ्रो वर्ड्स एट रणवीर और रणवीर ऑन द स्पॉट रैप बना सकता है। दिस इज अ चैलेंज।
वो क्या था वो रैप गुंडे में, वो क्या बोला था?
मेरे साथ बैठी है प्रियंका चोपड़ा, पसंद है मुझे इसका क्यूट सा थोपड़ा।
क्या बोलते टैलेंट्री।
ऑलराइट, आर यू रेडी टू टेक दिस चैलेंज रणवीर?
ब्रो, आई एम अप फॉर इट।
सिंपल वर्ड्स हैं।
हाँ।
ऑलराइट,
So what? You're going to throw words?
I'm going to throw words. Rather, you know what? I'm going to throw names.
Okay.
Okay. So the first name I'm throwing is Ritesh Sidhwani.
I have to rap on Ritesh Sidhwani.
Give me, hit 2 lines, man. Ritesh Sidhwani.
भाई क्या कर रहा है? प्रोड्यूसर है मेरा, आगे जाके पिक्चर करनी है एक्सेल में, क्या कर रहा है?
तो कुछ अच्छा बनाते हैं।
अच्छा बनाओ। रितेश सिद्धवानी, तू है मेरा सिंधी भाई, मैं भी भावनानी। ओ बहुत हार्ड।
Next name, your ex co-star in Dil Dhadakne Do, and also the producer of this film, Farhan.
ओहो, फरहान, मुझे पिक्चर में डायरेक्ट कर, मैं तीर तू मेरा कमान। ओह बहुत हार्ड। फरहान को बोलो ना पिक्चर डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं यार, कमाल है।
Last one, तुम्हारी इस फिल्म की co-star, your word is Alia.
आलिया, ऊपर वाले ने तुझ में कितना टैलेंट डालिया।
I don't think these 3 people need any introduction that is better than what Ranveer just gave them.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting, of course, here I have आलिया, रितेश एंड फरहान। लेकिन ये जो आपकी सबसे स्पेशल जोया जी हैं, उनके लिए आप ही इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे।
जोया आजा, गलियों की रानी। जोया तेरी सिनेमा में मैं ऐसा खोया।
क्या बात है।
बीज की तरह तूने मुझे बोया। और बर्थडे पार्टी में बैग होता है खोया। और क्या वो वाले सीन में कितने अच्छे से मैं रोया।
Ladies and gentlemen, the director of Gully Boy presenting Zoya Akhtar.
Yes sir.
Ranveer and Alia, ladies and gentlemen, the Gully Boy team, Ranveer and Alia Bhatt. I know आज यहाँ पे the moment that you've all been waiting for, it's going to be here on screen. But happy birthday, Farhan. And since we are all part of the movies, we're just not going to say happy birthday. There's a surprise, a huge surprise, which you have no clue about. I have witnessed it already a little. So are we ready? Yeah. Are we ready?
Banta ready? चलो
Ranveer?
बड़ा ready. क्या पैदा हुआ है ये? क्या पैदा हुआ है? ओ Oh yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Farouk. happy birthday to hit me with it one more time. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, Faru. Happy birthday to you, Faru. Happy birthday to Farhana. Happy birthday to you, Barkhudar.
Thank you, Roshan. Thank you, Decipher. Farhan, you just want to react to that happy birthday. I'm guessing you've never got a wish like that. Sorry.
और किस माइक में कहूँ? Thank you very much. It really is a very special day. Because usually on birthdays people are excited when they receive something, you know. But this is very special for me because Zoya's film trailer is something that we are presenting to the world on my birthday. That makes me very, very proud.
Amazing.
And thank you for this wonderful performance and the wonderful backup that happened on the set. Thank you very much, and thank you, boys.
But last night, hey, of course, it's his birthday, which means that it's going to be pretty incomplete without a birthday cake. Oh. सब कुछ तैयारी करके आए हैं हम लोग. So there is a oh wow, nice. There it is.
क्या बात है. ओहो, ये क्या है? कीटो है कि चीटो है?
Alia wants to know if it's a healthy cake. We'll have to check if it's healthy, if it's vegan.
हाँ, मैंने भी बड़े केक काटे हैं आजकल में. हा 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 हा. Sakt londa, sakt abs.
Okay, so now I'd request all five of you, if you could take a seat, because
trailer
this is
दिखाओ और मुझे बचाओ.
this is the moment, ladies and gentlemen, because we've waited for this. What an announcement it was when we heard that track that Ranveer dropped from Gully Boy. But this, what you're about to see, is the trailer of Gully Boy. Ready? Make some noise. क्या बात है? क्या बात है? Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, Kalki is not here, but before that, Kalki left something for us. Alia, if you could just come and join me on stage. Can we have that, please? Yaar, Ranveer, please na bhai, come na. Can we have that? ये लीजिए. इनमें रंग भर दीजिए. Fill the colors of Gully Boy.
अरे थोड़ा ड्राई में नहीं, थोड़ा वेट म्यूजिक लगाओ यार. क्या गाना है ट्रेलर में, सुनाओ तो.
answers.
He's a method actor. So if he has to rap in the day, he'll rap all day.
मैडम वो कीड़ा है, म्यूजिक चालू होता है तो अपन भी चालू हो जाता है. कलाकार मैं कल को आकार दूं, यही है मेरा धर्म, मेरी दूसरी कोई जात ना. हार्ड है.
What did I tell you? Zoya, इससे पहले जो आपने फिल्में बनाई, like just chronologically if I have to go, thanks to your films, people like me wanted to go, even with my dysfunctional family, onto a cruise. Then there was the film where Farhan also was there, where I wanted to go with my friends. But this film is raw, it's real, it's got the streets. How did this story evolve? When did you pick up the story to do a film like Gully Boy?
I was editing Dil Dhadakne Do, and my editor Anand Subaya actually showed me a video. So this was 2014. Showed me a video of an artist called Nezi, who was like 21, and he had put up a song called Afat. And that's the first time I actually saw real, authentic, what now is called gully rap. And it was just stuck in my head. And from that moment till now, I mean, it's just been a journey. It just took me where, I mean, I'm here now.
I moved to Alia. Alia, every character that you play, like your dialogues, the delivery, and before I was coming here, Vicky gave you a compliment, Vicky Kaushal. He said, when it comes to lines, when it comes to not being into the whole method, Alia Bhatt, nobody beats her. When you got onto the set for Gully Boy, how is that? Because you were stepping onto an Excel set and being directed by Zoya.
I think it has been one of my most, I keep talking about it, like people need to stop me from talking about how brilliant my experience was working with Zoya, working with Excel. I think they are such a fantastic team. Please like clap for yourself, guys. I've never worked with a better team. They are so on point with everything. And because this film, like you said, is so raw, it's so like it comes literally from like the stomach, you know, from the stomach to the heart to here and then Ranveer. So I really felt that on set. And I mean, I'll talk about my character much later, but it was a crazy ride.
We come to this gentleman now who in the last
one... Vicky से याद है, Vicky पे का rap सुनेगा क्या? Vicky की आरेली उरी देखना है जरूरी.
So sweet.
Okay, Ranveer, third time that I'm meeting you in the last year, thanks to your films, right? Last year, this month, Padmavat released, you were in a different zone. Then Simba came, where I again saw you transform. And now I've again seen you transform in a month's time. Bro, this character is close to your heart because rap is something jo hamesha se like you've been very fond of. And then you get this film, it's like, khol do sare darwaze, khol do pitare.
हाँ, मतलब मैं सबसे पहले जब भी किसी ने मेरे को गली बॉय के लिए पूछा था, मैंने बोला ये मेरी फिल्म है, और कोई करता मैं जल के राख हो जाता, ये मैं ही कर सकता था, इसीलिए पैदा हुआ हूँ, you know, and it's a coming together of too many things that are very, very dear to me. Rap, hip hop music, which I've loved since I was a kid. Mahanagri, meri Matrabhumi, Mumbai. This beautiful person here, who's really more than a director to me. She's my friend, confidant. She's so special to me in my life as a person, more than a director. These fine gentlemen here, the best in the business. Ritesh is like family to me. We go way back. Our parents go way back. Farhan is, I think, a renaissance man, a creative force of nature who I have tremendous admiration for and have been fielding for him to direct me since 8 years now. Hopefully he'll consider me someday. And this, well, I don't know what to say about her. I really don't know what to say about this. I don't know how she happened to us. We are lucky that we have an actor like Alia Bhatt as a part of our cinema. So yeah, really, too many special things in one thing.
And of course, the gentleman who manages to touch everything and it turns into gold. Okay, we'll start with Fukre last year. Then two of India's biggest shows to hit the web, Inside Edge. Now here with a bang with Gully Boy. Ritesh, how are you picking up all these projects and how is it just happening?
I think we are fortunate that these scripts come to us.
Right.
And again, when
this script was at home, right?
Yeah, and this when Zoya and Rima wrote this, I think the instant, like you say, it's raw. It was so different to her previous two films, and there was an instant. I think like because it was so real, you identify with it. So hopefully, like this film will be added to the next time you give me a list of our successful films.
But I'm amazed from the time Gully Boy was announced that Zoya is directing a film which is about the the rap culture of the Mumbai streets. Man, the amount of noise. I mean, today we are here for the trailer launch, but right from the time I think the shoot started, with Divine and Nazy talking about it, the amount of noise it's created, I mean, half the work is already done because people already know this.
Like I was saying, this was an area which was not explored. I think like when Zoya saw it, like she told you, when Anand Subaya showed her that video, I think that inspiration and then keeping it true and just keeping it real, I think that's why there's so much talk about it.
Farhan, you remember 2008 where you introduced rock music again to India in a way?
Yes, I do remember that.
Yes, and now you have a script. Yes, and yeah, that's Farhan's trademark humor. Thoda sa ha. But almost 10 years later, now rap in a film, just the fact that there is music involved, does it get you excited when you're reading the script that yes, music is again going to be the forefront?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, music is, I think, an integral part not just of my life, sabhi ki zindagi mein, it plays a very important role. और जब एक मौका मिलता है कि ऐसी कहानी मिले जिससे म्यूजिक ऑर्गेनिकली इतनी जुड़ी हुई हो तो बहुत मजा आता है उस फिल्म पे काम करने के लिए. लेकिन मैं जो कह रहा हूँ वो अलग. आप सबको ट्रेलर कैसा लगा? एक और बार
जर्नलिस्ट सही बोल रहे हैं. बहुत Okay, since you already opened it to their reactions, I think we should now move to their questions. So if you could just raise your hand and I could come to you. Yeah, yes, ma'am, we'll start with you first. Ravi. Ji.
Komal, I love you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hi, I'm this side, please. Okay. Yeah. I'm Riya from Deccan Chronicles. First of all, a big congratulations to
Madam
all of you.
Deccan Chronicle.
Chronicle, yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
कमाल है यार.
ये Facebook पे live जा रहा है.
Oh sorry, पहले बोल देता यार live हो रहा है. मैं बच्चन बंद करता. कमाल है यार. BC बंद करता मैं.
Congratulations for your film entering to Berlin Film Festival.
Thank you.
My question is for you, Zoya ma'am. As we all know, Ranveer's relentless energy and high vibe. Was it difficult for you to calm him down in this movie, to show his quieter side?
No, it's not difficult because Ranveer, I mean, he is the Energizer Bunny, but he's extremely sensitive and he's an extremely... No, he is. He's got a very high EQ. And he's an actor, so he knows what he has to do when he takes this particular part on. It just so happened that he has done 2 films with me where he's not hectic in both.
अगर मुझे कोई लगाम लगा सकता है वो है तू ज़ोया तू.
Yeah. And sometimes you, when you're shooting with him, he does his first take, gets all the energy out, and then from the next take, he kicks in. So you have to allow that.
Yeah. And Ranveer, how was the process of preparing for this, the language and the style for the street rapper?
Yeah, just
how was
me
it?
and my high vibe. Babe, what can I tell you? It was the most fulfilling process, man. You know, just to be amongst the legit, the real boys, you know, the rappers themselves. There's such raw talent. You know, the way they've written, look at what happened with Spitfire, with Nitin. Asli Hip Hop came out and everybody's like, who is this kid? And we're really happy that, you know, we have a very wholesome album that we're very excited to present to you. All of them have contributed towards it. Just interacting with them was one of the fondest memories I'll hold with myself for the rest of my life. In that prep process, in those workshops with them, working on the dialogues with them, collaborating on the music with them, it's an experience of a lifetime.
Yeah, you shot in Dharavi. How was the experience?
Ma'am, it's like you're filling the entire Deccan Chronicle today. Can we move to another question?
Dakhan se uttar mein.
धारावी वाला सवाल आएगा. I promise you get the answer.
Yeah, hi, this is
Where?
Sakshi.
There.
Yeah, hi, this is Sakshi from Bollywood Now. I would like to ask that do you feel that affluence or being rich help in basically making your talent brighter and putting that out in the world? Does that help?
नहीं समझ आया.
Hello, I'll repeat my question.
Can you repeat the
Too
question?
carried away by Ranveer Singh. So
Arre.
I'll repeat my question.
Waves getting infected with my high vibes.
Yes, exactly.
Do you want help in holding the camera? No?
No, it's fine, it's fine. So my question is, do you think that being rich basically helps your talent to shine brighter because you have certain comfort? And like a person who is not that rich may have to find other things to basically
The struggle,
bring
I
their
think.
talent
Are you talking
out.
rich in talent-wise?
No, like if you have.
That's a very good interpretation, Ritesh. But I think Madam is asking a different kind of question.
Yeah, so I'll give you an example. You got it? Okay, fine.
Babe, I'm intelligent in spite of my high vibes. So, you know, all this, how rich you are, how poor you are, it's all relative, you know. Even a rich person can have struggles that you and I don't know of. Everyone in this world is struggling and going through the agonies of existence. That's why the best thing you can do is just be kind. Coming to more specifically your question, you saw the line in the trailer. जितने भी आर्टिस्ट लोग हुए ना सारे भूखे फक्कड़ ऐसी हालत की मतलब इतने भूखे की नोच के खा जाए. So invariably you find that some kind of struggle that you're going through gives birth to art and artistry, kalakari as they say, that comes out of you. And we have that theme in our film. So I'm really looking forward for you to see it and hopefully gain something.
Thank you. Hi, Ranveer.
Thank you.
Wait, where?
Hi,
Just
Ranveer,
raise your
over
hand.
here.
Raise it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi,
right at the
Ranveer
back.
Pooja here from India News. आपने इतनी सारी रैपिंग सीखी है अपने वाइफ के लिए, दीपिका के लिए कुछ रैप बनाया है आपने?
हाँ, वो तो मैं उनके लिए स्पेशल सोलो शो दूंगा.
और उनकी रिएक्शन कैसी थी ये ट्रेलर और मूवी देख?
ट्रेलर उन्होंने देखी नहीं है, टीजर देखा था, उनको बहुत पसंद आया. इट वाज अ वेरी नॉवल अप्रोच. जोया मैडम ने खुद अपने हाथों से काटा है. और शी लव द टीजर एंड शी इज वेरी प्राउड ऑफ मी.
रणवीर जी,
जी जी,
ये जानना चाहूँगा आपसे कि जैसा कि आपने ट्रेलर में भी बताया एंड रियल लाइफ में भी आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि जैसा कि आपने बताया कि हम सभी जानते हैं एक्टर, तो पूरी दुनिया में कोई ऐसा है जिसे आप बताना चाहेंगे कि एक्टर बना हूँ मैं अपने दम पे, तूने तो कपड़े पहने अपने बाप के पैसों से, तो किसी को आप ऐसा कहना चाहेंगे?
ओहो.
फिलहाल तो ट्रेलर के अंत में मैंने उस रैपर को बोला था जिसको मैंने रैप बैटल में हराया था. बट माई फेवरेट लाइन आई टेल यू इज कलाकार मैं कल को आकार दूं, यही है मेरा धर्म, मेरी दूसरी कोई जात ना. ओ माय गॉड, इस लाइन के लिए मेरे लिए तालियां. जो कि मैंने नहीं लिखी है, लेकिन क्रेडिट लेने में क्या जाता है. हाँ, वो बहुत इसकी अगर आप वो आप लाइंस को लेना, बहुत कमाल की राइटिंग है इस फिल्म में. आई थिंक that Spitfire, there are all the authentic boys, the rappers themselves have contributed to the album. They have, I believe, ma'am, lyricist credit. Yes,
of course,
absolutely.
Zoya, please do tell us how many songs are there, because that has got me really peaked. Like there is Apna Time Aayega. There is of course Asli
I mean,
Hip Hop.
I can't give you all the things. There are 18 pieces on the album, which are background and songs. I mean, 2 of them are poems, and 1 of them is a reprise, a beatbox version of another track. So the 18 pieces.
Hi everyone.
मेरा सवाल
किधर हाथ एक बार ऊपर कर दीजिए. There.
हेलो.
Hi everyone. Vivek here from Akkad Bakkad Bombay. Hi Baba. What's up Baba?
कहाँ से आए आप? अक्कड़ भी, बक्कड़ भी, बम्बई भी, वो भी.
So भाई हम ट्रेलर जैसे कि था तो मैंने कुछ लिख दिया ऐसे बैठे बैठे कि ट्रेलर था कमाल, बाबा ने मचा दिया बवाल, अब बॉक्स ऑफिस पे होगा धमाल.
क्या बात है. ओहो, बहुत हार्ड, बनता है, ड्रॉपिंग देम बार्स. फ्रीस्टाइल है राजा.
तो मेरा सवाल है जोया मैम से. मैम मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, जैसा कि हमने ट्रेलर में देखा कि सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी जो कि एक कैरेक्टर है, जो कि मैंने उनको देखा था फर्स्ट टाइम इनसाइड एज नाम के एक वेब सीरीज़ में, जो कि काफ़ी इंट्रोवर्ट टाइप का लड़का था, वो पूरे सीरीज़ में हमने देखा था. और सडनली ट्रेलर में वो कोई येड़ा वाला लड़का, जो येड़ा सा होता है कि ये लड़का मैं येड़ा, उस टाइप का था. तो कैसा उनको अपने कन्वर्ट किया एक इंट्रोवर्ट से होते हुए को येड़ा वाली ट्रिप में लाने के लिए?
उनको ज़्यादा कन्वर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. ही इज़ अ वेरी एनर्जेटिक बॉय, ही इज़ अ वेरी वेरी गुड एक्टर. और मुझे इस रोल के लिए कोई मिला नहीं था, और मैं इनसाइड एज के सक्सेस पार्टी पे गई थी, और मैंने शो देखा नहीं था, और वो डांस फ्लोर पे था, और मैंने उसे देखा डांस करते हुए. एंड आई वेंट एंड स्पोक टू हिम एंड आई कॉल्ड हिम फॉर एन ऑडिशन. And he came and tested, and he was signed the next day. It was really luck by chance. And
pun intended.
Yeah, it was,
madam.
And he is a very hard-working boy. So he has done his own research, worked with the rappers, got his dialect. He just morphed himself. He's also quite skinny for Inside Edge. So in a very short period of time, he bulked up, got bigger. So he's very hardworking. He's going to go very far.
जोया.
हाँ, वो उसका दिल चाह रहा था और वो अपने लक्ष्य पर पहुंच गया, और अब सबका दिल धड़काने वाला है. वाह.
मेरा
I think कल YouTube पे the new thing is going to be, if you really want to be an actor, जाओ मत खड़े हो प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस की लाइन में, जाओ किसी पार्टी में, and you never know that you might just get an audition the next day.
तेरे को क्या लगता है मैं क्या करता था?
आलिया अभी तक फिल्मों में
इधर on the right, on the right.
अब तक फिल्मों में अपना टैलेंट बहुत दिखा लिया. ट्रेलर देख के लग रहा है कि जोया ने तुझे बहुत रुला लिया. थोड़ा सा बता मुझे तेरे कैरेक्टर के बारे में क्या है.
Usha with the bars.
एक्चुअली फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मैं कम रोई हूँ और दूसरों को ज़्यादा रुलाया है इस फिल्म में. जब आप पूरी फिल्म देखोगे आपको समझ में आएगा. कैरेक्टर के बारे में आई डोंट नो हाउ मच आई एम अलाउड टू से एज ऑफ नाउ. यही कहूँगी कि जो मैंने धोपता है इस फिल्म में, जो धोपतुएंगे ना उसको और धोपतुएंगे ना उसको, मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं किया है. सो इफ यू ऑल नो व्हाट दैट मीन्स देन यू ऑल प्रोबेबली गेट अ हिंट ऑफ व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
रणवीर 32 बहुत हार्ड है.
अमरवीर एक सेकंड.
Am I playing a? I mean, yeah, I'm playing a student. Yeah, मैं liver transplant कर सकती हूँ आपका अगर आप चाहे तो.
वो डर गया है.
सक्सेसफुल होगा सर्जरी ये पता नहीं है.
Zoya, hi. Hi Zoya.
Hi.
एक सेकंड, just if you could raise your hand.
Okay. Hi, this is Atika from Rishte Cineplex and Colors. हमारी फिल्मों में अक्सर एक डिमार्केशन होता है कि ये अपर क्रस्ट के लिए है, ये लोअर क्रस्ट के लिए है, ये अमीरों के लिए बनी है, ये एक अलग तरह के तबके के लिए बनी है. स्लम डॉग मिलियनेयर बनी थी, अनुराग कश्यप की अलग फिल्में होती हैं, करण जौहर की अलग फिल्में होती हैं, लेकिन ये एक ब्यूटीफुल संगम है. ये लड़की स्कार्फ पहनती है लेकिन ये बहुत बिंदास किस्म की लड़की है. बात गलियों की हो रही है लेकिन एक ऑप्टिमिज्म है, एक अजीब सी जिद है, which is very nice to see. आपने कुछ stereotypes भी इसमें challenge करने की कोशिश की है, and that's something very refreshing about the film.
Thank you, firstly. लेकिन ऐसा कोई कोशिश नहीं किया था कि कोई stereotype है और उसको challenge करो. Reema and me started to write the film, so we went and we met the kids that are making this music. And we realized that they are honest. They talk about their life. They talk about their struggle, their personal home space, their socio-economic space, but there is no cynicism and there's no bitterness in them. They are extremely positive and they're extremely hopeful and idealistic, and they are out there to change the world. And that is very contagious. And hopefully we want to put that out in our film, because that's the point. You can find hope everywhere and joy everywhere, and they are artists. So they have that dream of changing tomorrow. And that's what I hope to capture.
जी, मेरा सवाल फरहान और
मैम कहाँ से आ रहा है सवाल?
भावना नवभारत जी. जिस तरह से ये फिल्म है, कमर्शियल है और काफी हिट होगी, आप लोगों को भी लग रहा है, लेकिन इस फिल्म में जोया है. लेकिन
आपका क्या मतलब है कि आप लोगों को लग रहा है? आप लोगों को नहीं लग रहा?
बड़े ही कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे हो तुम आज.
नहीं, हम सबों के रिएक्शन से आप लोगों को लग ही रहा है. लेकिन जिस तरह से जोया है और जिस तरह से इसे इंटरनेशनली काफी अच्छी जगह मिली है, तो क्या आप लोग इस बार जो ऑस्कर की एंट्री होगी उसके लिए इस फिल्म को सोच रहे हैं?
हाँ, हम कुछ ज्यादा दूर निकल गए इस वक्त.
नहीं, लेकिन फिल्म का सब्जेक्ट जो है
इस पर फोकस करें कि पहले 24 जनवरी को हमारी म्यूजिक रिलीज होगी, उसके बाद फिल्म रिलीज होगी 14 फरवरी को. उसके बाद क्या होगा, ऑडियंस कितना प्यार देगी इस फिल्म को, कहाँ से लोग इस फिल्म को पसंद करेंगे, ये सब देखा जाएगा. फिर उसके बाद ऑस्कर ऐसी चीज़ होती है कि मतलब एक कमेटी है जो डिसाइड करेगी. हम सिर्फ उम्मीद ही कर सकते हैं. We just hope that people love the film when the film releases, and that's all that we can ask for.
अरे सर वो दोनों डेटों के बीच में एक ऐसा भी डेट है ना 9 और 10 फरवरी जब हम लोग जा रहे हैं बर्लिन.
हाँ करेक्ट.
जा रहे ना बर्लिन फिल्म फेस्टिवल तक तो पहुंच ही गए. तालियां. रणवीर सूट पा के जाएगा तेरा भाई.
एक सेकंड अमरप्रीत एक सेकंड. आलिया are you singing in the are you doing any rap? Is that also a surprise? Zoya is going to kill me because
No, not at all.
because Alia just keeps looking at you. Can I answer this right?
We'll answer that question soon.
Yeah.
इसका जवाब आएगा.
Hi.
Ranveer here.
Hi, this is Sohail over here.
Sohail sir, एक second. Amarpreet का पहले उसके बाद I'll come to you.
Thank you, Suren. Ranveer, hi. Amarpreet here from Viral Bollywood. पहले तो बहुत मुबारक आपको. Congratulations for Simba. 200 करोड़ आज ही कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. उसके बाद रणवीर सोशल मीडिया पे वैसे तो ट्रेलर देख के जाहिर है कि you're playing नेजी. और सोशल मीडिया पे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है कि नेजी आप प्ले कर रहे हैं तो डिवाइन को कौन प्ले कर रहा है. इज इट सिद्धांत हु इज डूइंग इट या क्या है? थोड़ा
कैरेक्टर एकदम ओरिजिनल है और बाकी का जवाब मैडम देंगी.
This is not a biopic. ये नेजी और डिवाइन की बायोपिक नहीं है. दिस इज अ completely fictional story. It's inspired by them and their music, and they worked with me on the film to make it authentic. Right. So the script they worked with to make authentic. So they were the people that I would talk to. They were the people that took me into their lives, showed me how it's done, where it started. So there are a lot of things from their life through the film. But it's not an exact biopic because it's a fiction drama.
And ma'am, sorry.
No, I'm done.
Okay. So what about Kalki Cochin? Who kiska love interest?
Kekla. Kalki Kekla.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. What's her character in the film, ma'am? If you can.
She plays somebody who's related to the music business, who comes into the boys' lives and affects it professionally and personally.
And is she Ranveer's love interest?
No, you have to watch the film. Everything I say here.
एक काम करते हैं इसके बाद फिल्म दिखाई देते हैं ना यार.
नहीं.
मेरे लेफ्ट में नहीं देख रही है मेरी लव इंटरेस्ट.
और मर्डर
अमरप्रीत सॉरी
और मर्डर आलिया ने किया.
Hi, this is Sohail here.
और खूनी आलिया है.
पापी गुड़िया.
Hi, this is Sohail here. You're on your left.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations or happy new year to all.
Happy तो है बड़ा.
Yeah. बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त ट्रेलर है. Happy birthday to you also. Yeah. As a gully boy, as a growing gully boy, Bandra के gully boy हो आप. What were you really fond of when you were growing, and what were you famous as a gully boy? कोई memories हो जो share करना चाहोगे? और this film, is it like it will be very inspiring to the youth also? मतलब है definitely.
How notorious were you, Ranveer?
100% it's going to be. I mean, we hope will give some inspiration to the youth. I'm from the mean streets of Bandra, man. The 050 Pali Hill represent. I think it's. Would you say it's correct to say that we're really hoping it'll give some inspiration to the youth to kind of.
I made a story that inspired me, and I don't know what inspires whom. You know what I mean? I can hope like it touched me, it inspired me, and everybody takes what they want out of it, you know. So when we made a film called Zindagi, and I thought it was for the youth, and then I met an 80-year-old lady who said thank you very much, and I've always wanted to go to England, and after I saw this film, I went. And it just shocked me, but I didn't realize that it would. So, you know, and I know young people that didn't like it. So I don't know who it touches, but it inspired me, and I hope their story inspires other people.
ट्रेलर से तो काफी इंस्पायरिंग लग रहा है. In fact, like we were inspired कि अगर हमें जिंदगी में कुछ करना है, you know, the way Ranveer has been shown, तो it could be to any ages. I feel like तो
अपना टाइम आएगा.
क्या लगता है अपना टाइम आएगा?
तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा?
Okay, one sec. Zoya, there's one more question. You just mentioned कि कैसे Divine and Neezy helped you with the film. Rap or rhythm and poetry, it's pretty deep, and this I think is the first out and out film where rap is being showcased. अब जैसे Farhan also when he did Rock On, you know there are so many genres in rock itself. how deep did you get into the whole rap culture, like the rap music bit? Or have you kept, for the audiences, have you kept the rap bit simple?
No, I mean, there is different sound. There's something that's quite old school. There's something that's very recent. The sound changes. But that's not the point. It is the sound of what they're making. And the sound at this point, what they, as characters on a level, can afford to make. You know, because the beauty of rap music and why rap has come from the streets is that they did not need money to tell their story. They are all poets, they're writers. This is a story of a poet. And they're writers, and all they needed was any phone or iPad or somewhere where they can download a beat and talk to that beat. So it is kind of scavenger music, and that's why it's always come from the streets. So the music kind of touches that. And it's very authentic, and it's made by the people that make the music in the gullies. So you can't go wrong.
It's like football. Why is football every man's sport? Because all you need is the ball. Exactly. That's like all you need is a beat and what you feel. Yeah.
You know,
Hi guys, Bhavna this side.
Ek second. Ek second. Sorry?
कभी रियल लाइफ में अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के लिए किसी को धोपता है? अब तक तो नहीं, पर जिंदगी बाकी है। पर शायद कभी नहीं करूंगी क्योंकि आई एम नॉन वायलेंट।
किसी की मजाल है?
बट मैं दिमाग में शायद धोप दूंगी दूर से।
हेलो हाय।
कोई भी गुल्लू गुल्लू करे आलिया के बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ, किसी की मजाल है?
हाय रणवीर।
हाय जोया।
एक सेकंड। यस मैम।
हाय रणवीर, भावना दिस साइड।
हाय।
बहुत अच्छा ट्रेलर है। रणवीर, मुझे ये जानना था कि आप पहले से डिवाइन के फैन थे, उनके रैप सुनते थे?
जी हाँ, जी बिल्कुल।
कौन सा फेवरेट रैप है?
जंगली शेर।
मेरे गली में और जंगली शेर मेरे फेवरेट्स। वन साइड हर चीज है। काम 25 है, काम 25 है। छोटा सा मैं लड़का, छोटी चीजों पे मैं भड़का, मेरे दाल में नहीं था तड़का, घर पे बाप के रोज का लफड़ा दफना मुश्किलों को, मेरी माँ की कमाई ने बाप वाला रोल निभाया, मेरे भाई ने तैरना सीखा खाई में, इसलिए शब्दों। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Bhavna, I hope that answers your question. All right.
Hi, Zoya.
Where? Just put your hand up because.
Towards your left.
I love you.
किधर?
Here. Towards your left.
अरे लड़की है, लेकिन लड़की की आवाज आ रही है।
अरे हाथ निकल जाएगा तेरा तो।
Can you see me now?
Yes. There.
Zoya,
you know,
we've always loved your films, but there has always been a classification, and people have said that you make elitist films. But with Lust Stories, you kind of change that perspective and perception. Do you think this is going to add to that? Because you can see the response from the audience, and it's about a boy from the slums of Bombay, and it's clearly not an elitist film. Are you expecting those kind of criticism to not come your way for Gully Boy at least?
I don't know, because I'm always surprised, sometimes pleasantly surprised by the criticism because I learn from it, and sometimes shocked by the criticism because I don't understand it. So I don't know what will come my way. I'll just keep making films that I'm excited to make and tell stories I'm excited to tell, because where I'm coming from, I actually feel wherever you go, people are the same, they're human beings. And they work from that gamut of emotions. The rest is just backdrop.
Yes, no, ma'am, I'm already like, yes. This lady here who wants to... Bro, one second. I'm coming to you, man.
Bye, dumb.
Those are 18. Yeah.
नर्वस आओ नहीं बेटा? हाँ? पूछो. ये बात तो जोर से बोलो. क्या है यार? अरे माइक नहीं है उसके हाथ में, माइक नहीं है, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा मुझे. कमाल है यार, कैसी पब्लिक है यार.
Yes. Okay, we're going to take one last question after this.
जो तीनों भी खान की मूवीज आई थी, जैसे रेस हो गई या ठग्स ऑफ हिंदुस्तान या फिर अभी जीरो, वो उन्होंने इतना कुछ खास नहीं किया बॉक्स ऑफिस पर, बट एट द सेम टाइम जब आपकी पद्मावत आई थी एंड प्लस सिम्बा आई थी, उसने बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रेट किया है. तो क्या अभी आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि आपका टाइम आ गया है?
अगर तू बोल रही है तो मैं मान लेता हूँ. बड़ा मानना है मुझे, ये बात माननी है मुझे. अच्छा, मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि जिन फिल्मों में मैं मैंने काम किया है, पूरी शिद्दत से किया है कि उन्होंने अच्छी निकल गई, बहुत अच्छा कमाल का साल रहा मेरे लिए। जो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता जब किसी दूसरे की फिल्म काम नहीं करे। मैं भी इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा हूँ, इसी इंडस्ट्री से हम सबका पेट पलता है, तो सब हार्ड वर्क करते हैं और ये मैं जानता हूँ। तो जब किसी की फिल्म चलती नहीं है मुझे बुरा लगता है, और अच्छी चल जाती है खास करके खुद की तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है।
On your wait, we're taking 2 more questions. There's one question coming from the left. On the left, ma'am, 1 second. There's a question coming from there. एक second. There's a reason I'm here. Hi.
Hi, Ritesh.
Yes, ma'am.
आपके राइट में, रितेश, लेफ्ट. Here. आपसे ये सवाल था कि इंडियन रैपर की बात करें तो इंडिया में अभी इतने पॉपुलर नहीं हुए हैं या इतनी कामयाबी नहीं मिली है जितनी कि फॉरेन कंट्रीज में हम देखते हैं वहाँ के रैपर को। तो कहीं ना कहीं गली बॉय जब आएगी तो एक लोगों के दिल में या उनके दिल में जो भी है कि इस रैप को भी, इंडियन रैपर को भी आगे मौका मिलना चाहिए और उनको भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलना चाहिए। तो आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं फिल्म हेल्प करेगी उनके लिए भी?
डेफिनेटली, आई थिंक ये ग्रोइंग कल्चर है एंड ये फिल्म के साथ उनको एक स्प्रिंग बोर्ड मिल जाएगा to spread it around the world. Because I think the minute Zoya ने जब ये लिखा ही था रीमा के साथ, and they decided to make it into a film, I think the minute you have this made into a feature film, it will obviously promote it and extend it. And I think this is what the film is about. And जब आप देखोगे, you'll know about how a guy who's from the slums dreams about becoming an hip hop artist.
And also, sorry, I have to add something here. The thing is that you talking about any country where it's big. It's big because it's promoted. It's big because it's backed. I was shocked at how big it is in India on the net and on YouTube. And I mean, there are artists that have 22 million views and they are not even signed a label. So it is big and people are listening to it. It's just not being given a platform by the companies to be. So thanks to Z, this is happening. But they should be given a platform and they should be promoted because people are listening to it and want to listen to it.
आलिया, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि आप रणवीर कपूर और रणवीर सिंह दोनों के साथ काम कर रही हैं। हम दोनों ही उन्हें आने वाले टाइम के सुपरस्टार मानते हैं। पिछले साल दोनों की ही फिल्में बहुत कामयाब रही हैं। क्या सिमिलैरिटीज़ देखती हैं या फिर क्या डिफरेंसेस देखती हैं और वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
सिमिलैरिटीज़ काफ़ी है कि दोनों सुपर्ब ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, दोनों आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्टर्स हैं और दोनों मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है। अलग बस ये होगा कि एक के साथ मैं गली बॉय कर रही हूँ, एक के साथ मैं ब्रह्मास्त्र कर रही हूँ।
एक थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्पेशल है, एक थोड़ा कम।
Okay, and we are taking the last question from this gentleman here.
I have a couple of good questions out for
Couple?
2 more.
एक choose कर ले यार।
First it goes to Ritesh sir.
Okay.
Sir, last time we met, you told me that कि 2019 तो बहुत कमाल होने वाला है. We are eagerly waiting for Inside Edge 2, sir. Tell us something about your lined up project for 2019 first.
Okay. So
सारे सवाल आज
so Inside Edge will release this year. We've just finished filming the 2nd season, and it's right now in its post. So this end of this year is when we are targeting to release it.
और आपका दूसरा
सवाल? So we come to the birthday boy, sir. Sir.
Farhan, sir.
Sir, tell us something about what are you gonna do 2019, sir? How is your project been lined up for this year?
Sorry, I couldn't understand the question.
So what are your lined up projects for 2019?
Before Inside Edge, Zoya's done a show called Made in Heaven, which is going to release in March.
क्या बात है? क्या बात है?
Come on.
Zoya, have you given opportunities for real life street rappers also in the movie?
Sorry?
Real life street rappers?
Yeah. They're on the whole album. And they
These guys are also there, right?
They're in the film, yeah.
Can you just raise your hand? Yeah. Roshan. Roshan and Decipher.
Farhan, so we started
Bro,
with you, we end with you.
ऐसे ही सर
रूखे माइक लो हाथ में.
He had one question for Farhan.
Yes, sir. So what are your lined up projects for 2019?
What are my projects for 2019?
19.
Yeah. Okay. I was like, I'm traveling back in time. He asked me about 2008, not 2009. I've got The Sky is Pink that's releasing with that I've just done with Shonali Bose. And there is going to be a very special announcement. This is not the time or the platform to make it on. But you'll hear about it very, very soon. And I hope that excites you.
Happy birthday.
Ranveer is the one who's got. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. And of course, अब ये हमारे जो भाई हैं, इनको वो चाहिए जिसके लिए बेसब्री से ये लोग इंतजार कर रहे थे. So if I could request, of course, Farhan, Zoya, Alia, Ranveer, and Ritesh to pose for pictures for the media. Yes, in the front.
you.